你好, welcome to my channel. I'm Yao. My first language is Mandarin Chinese. It's the final video on how to write colors in traditional Chinese. I'll show you gold and silver, 金, 银. They are not too complicated to write, so I'll provide extended contents in the end. So make sure to stay tuned. Okay, let's grab your pen and start writing with me. 金 is gold or metals in general, and the original meaning of 金 is copper. Since it's gold, we sometimes extend it as something precious. 金 itself is a radical, and you'll see it mainly on the left part or sometimes the bottom part of metal-related Chinese characters. 金 is another example of balance in traditional Chinese characters. If you draw a line in the center, you'll find the left and the right parts are the same. So when you write it, imagine there's a line in the center, and it will help you write 金 beautifully. Yin is silver. The radical of yin is 金. Yin can also mean money or wealth, as 金 does. They are both precious and expensive metals. To see the same 金become skinnier and on the left side of yin, that shows yin relates to metals. The right side of yin is 艮 and means stopping or stillness. Here's the extended content. 艮 can also be a radical, but in general, 艮alone is not commonly used. Mostly we combine other characters with 艮 to make it another character, such as 梁, 根, 退, 坚. 梁 is adding a dot, we call it 点, on the top of 艮, and it means good. 根 is 木, a tree or wood, and 艮 to make it 根, which means root. As we know, 根 relates to 木. 退 is 错, to walk or move, and 艮 to make it 退, which means to return. 坚 means difficult. It's so challenging to write. Apart from 金, it's also helpful to remember radical 木 and 错 because they'll help you to guess the meaning of Chinese characters. We learned 木 in 橙 orange and 棕 brown, 错 in 周 week before. Welcome to check them again. Yay! It's the end of this week. Do you like it? We learned so much in this video, and it's the final video of color-related traditional Chinese characters. Let's check them again. They are 金, 银. If you find my videos are informative, welcome to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned. Bye bye.